Hello everyone. Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the world of beauty products to help you find the best for your needs. Today, we're shining the spotlight on an exceptional item that has been making waves in the nail care community. The Mobray 60 grams Poly Extension Nail Gel in Black. This is being hailed as the best black poly gel on the market, and for good reason. Let's start by discussing what makes this product stand out. The Mobray Poly Extension Nail Gel is designed for both salon professionals and at-home nail enthusiasts, providing the perfect solution for creating stunning nail art designs. With a generous 60 grams of product, you'll have more than enough gel to experiment with various nail styles throughout the year. Whether you're looking to craft encapsulated nails, inlay designs, or intricate nail art featuring glitter and rhinestones, this poly gel is your go-to choice. One of the most impressive features of this gel is its versatility. It allows you to create a range of nail shapes, from square to coffin to French tips. This flexibility means you can easily customize your nails to match any occasion or outfit. Moreover, the Mobray Poly Gel is easy to use, even for beginners. The detailed yet straightforward instructions included in the packaging ensure that you won't struggle while working with it. This makes it an ideal choice for anyone looking to up their nail game without spending a fortune at the salon. Now, let's talk about performance. The Mobray Poly Gel is not just about aesthetics, it's also built to last. With proper nail preparation, including filing and buffing, you can expect this gel to last up to a month or even longer. That's impressive longevity for any nail product, ensuring your manicures remain flawless for weeks on end. Whether you're a busy professional or someone who simply enjoys beautifully manicured nails, this product won't let you down. Of course, safety is always a priority when it comes to beauty products. The Mobray Poly Gel is made with natural ingredients and is alcohol-free, making it a safer option for your nails. However, it's important to note that like any nail product, it can cause allergic reactions in some individuals, so it's crucial to perform a patch test before full application. Always follow the instructions carefully to minimize any risks and ensure a safe and enjoyable experience. In conclusion, if you're searching for a high-quality black poly gel that combines ease of use, versatility, and long-lasting results, look no further than the Mobray 60G Poly Extension Nail Gel. This product truly stands out in the crowded beauty market and is perfect for both DIY enthusiasts and seasoned professionals alike. With its affordable price point of just $8.99, it offers incredible value for money, allowing you to unleash your creativity and design beautiful nail art right from the comfort of your home. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique today. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more in-depth analyses of your favorite beauty products. Remember, your nails deserve the best, and with Mobray's Poly Gel, you can achieve salon-quality results without leaving your home. Until next time, keep shining.